Alright guys, part 2. So I flipped the camera. Just made it to Morrison's. Oh, I'm buzzing for a bit, man. Keep my phone in my hand like that. No, wait. Oh, fuck's sake. If you guys want to see a Forza video, I'll do that tomorrow. Trying to make over $2 million in Forza Horizon 3. Trying to make like 2 million or something. So like yes. So I'm gonna be a little bit quiet now. It'll be a bit dark. This thing right, and the fucking alarm went off. I'm so fucking fun in there. I'm beautiful. So you got my fucking right. I can't run fast for me, boys. The alarm went off. I paid for it. If everything went off, I scanned it. Beep. I put £1 in. It says, take a change, receipt. Alarm went off. So, just walking up the road, back in, might play a bit of Forza, then charge my vapes up, get my lunch hour ready for Richie and Warren, might see DJ Bob. I don't think I might upload the video that I found from security guard, maybe, title, I run from security guard in Morrison's, bought something for my dinner, alarm went off. So I didn't went, I done a fucking runner. I could like steal juice and shit and got away with it. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you for watching. This is DJ Bob. The fuck's sake, DJ in here. Go subscribe to DJ Bob 125, DJ Jam 125. Follow me on Instagram at DJ 8125. Discord in the dealer. Follow DJ Bob on Discord, on Instagram DJ Neil or some shit. Peace. Goodbye.